Welcome to our channel. Today I have the honor of showing you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G phone. The first thing we need to do is turn off the phone. We never clean a phone while it is turned on. We hold down the volume down button and the power button. A menu will pop up. We select power off. We wait for it to turn off. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt and then evaporates without leaving a trace. And you can buy this brush and this diffuser in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush, just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. And we start the whole operation by setting the phone aside. It will be easier for us to just hold it so it doesn't move around. We spray the toothbrush thoroughly with alcohol so that it is completely wet. If you don't have a diffuser, just pour a little bit of alcohol into a small container and dip the toothbrush in it. We hold it with 2 fingers. The speaker is right here between the frame and the glass. So we clean this part. Personally, I use this motion in one direction 10 to 15 times one way and then the same thing in the other direction. Then the same thing in the other direction, just so that the entire speaker opening is cleaned out. If the speaker is very dirty, it's a good idea to repeat the operation 2 or 3 times in each direction. Then it will be perfectly cleaned. After the operation, we leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.